He told me to put 911 on my phone. Just leave it there, and if something happens, just hit it.
Yeah. Alright, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. What I got going on today is, since I've been working on the other Model A truck, which you've seen up in this video here, I figured I'm halfway into that project, why not start another project? So, what I got going on here today is we're going to get the cherry picker out, and we're going to go here and... ta-da! I'm going to be getting my Model A truck cab down off the shelf, and we'll see, you saw the other videos over here, bank, that I've been working on the chassis. Well, I'm going to get the body out here and do a couple things on to clean up the firewall, and then I want to redo the top on it and make it match the other Model A truck. So I got Jackman coming over. We're going to set up the cherry picker here, and we're going to sling this thing up and get it back off the shelf. I pretty much built this thing from parts and built everything from the cowl back. I built the roof, built the doors. Actually, here's one of the doors here. Yeah. Started with the remnants of a 29 cab off a AA truck that was rotting away in the woods on my grandfather's farm, and went and built a hot rod out of it. I actually put it together inside the kitchen of a house I was renting that was pretty run down, so I used it as a workshop. I'll be doing a video of all the pictures of it just to describe the building process. But this truck I had on the road from 2006 to 2012. I put almost 20,000 miles on it. It's got the 283, the 4-speed fenderless. Originally it was flat black. I painted it green here for the last like 2 years. But I think I want to take it back to flat black, and since I've been working on the chassis, I'm going to change a couple things here, change the steering column, a couple other things on the truck, and just clean up some of the details. Maybe get rid of this diamond plate firewall and just do a painted firewall. It was a little rat roddy when I did it, and now I just want it to be like a beater hot rod. So we're going to pop this off the shelf and go from there. Oh, here comes Jackman. Nice. It's a big kid. There goes the paint.
You have paint on here? I got it. Where are we putting this, anywhere?
Just put it over there out of the way. I'm going to put the small column in it.
This one, or is this the one you had in or out?
No,
This is going in?
that's going in it.
Let's get some, how about we put a piece of tubing on here and get this rolling a little bit. You got a real short, strong clamp. Yeah. How about unbolt that bolt, take that chain out of there, and put that bolt through that chain you're using the lift with. Can I get one more pump? On the ceiling.
Keep
there
going.
we go.
Keep going. Pump. Pump.
Okay, hang on. We're past that here.
Oh, right in the wood.
Okay, do that again. Okay, we're gonna clear it. Plenty of room. You want to go down some?
Wait.
Get out as far as you can go.
Eventually it's going to get on it.
And this is heavy on the front, right?
Yep.
Okay, we got like 8 more inches to go.
It's almost
Now, is this thing gonna flop? You say it's heavier in the front?
I hope not. Hold her. No.
I think. Don't get yourself in a trap position, because that's gonna drop pretty soon.
Just hold on.
Keep coming.
A little bit.
It's gonna flop. Is it gonna come this way and hit this?
Here, don't pull that. Hold. Just steady the cab so I can move around to the back of it.
Okay. Oops. It's all moving. I'm not answering it.
Alright.
But
Pull it backwards.
okay, we're out. How far do you want to go?
What's it hitting?
Up here.
Alright, wait, hold on.
Forward.
Pull it.
How far do you want to go?
Whoa.
We're back in time.
Go down.
It's all right. We're not in any.
Go down a ways. It's not so far up in the air.
This thing is. It's not that top heavy. Okay.
We'll set it right down on here. If I had a big cart to put it on. Oh, what's this? Here's a big cart right here. Oh. Alright, so there we go. We used the hydraulic power and some ingenuity to get this 29 Ford truck cab off the shelf. And I can put it on a cart and start working on the firewall and get it ready to go back on the chassis. I'm going to be removing my custom roof I made and making another custom roof. We'll be watching that in an upcoming series. I want to thank Jack for helping over here. You got the memo on wearing the same shirts, I guess. So, we'll be back at it. We'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.